My name is Dolores McArthur, better known as Dello. I come into Age Action approximately twice a week to do knitting. We get 30 cents for every little hat that's knitted, and that goes for care and repair for senior members of society, which doesn't include me because I'm a recycled teenager.
And with that programme, we do free DIY jobs in the homes of older people right around Ireland. It could be installing a shower rail, it could be unblocking a sink, it could be with a lock on the door. It's the kind of small tasks that maybe get a little bit difficult when you get that little bit older, maybe that little bit, the mobility is a little bit affected. So it's really, really important to us because that's entirely reliant on generosity and on donations, and the Big Knit is our biggest single source of income for it.
I retired just last May, and I decided that I wanted to be involved in something that would be a craft activity, and that's how I got involved. And I came in here one morning and I saw all the ladies knitting, and I said I would join them, and that's what happened. And I think it's a great way, as I said before, of older people helping themselves to raise funds. Maybe they can't go out and change light bulbs, and they can't go out and fix things in their own house or do maintenance, but by raising funds for themselves, they can actually get the people they need to do it. And I'm really ensuring that I'm going to be able to get that service when I'm an older person as well.
But you see, it's very important to have some interest in life and to have a purpose for getting up in the morning, because it's so easy just to sit down and say, I'll go out in an hour. You don't go out in an hour. You just sit there and you're miserable. The senior citizens clubs don't suit everybody because they feel they're being organised and they don't like being organised to such an extent. We're here now and we'll do our exercise. They didn't go there. They went there to interact with people and to feel a useful part of society.
So we get to our target, will we?
How many hats have we got altogether? Do you know?
We don't know just yet.